Chapter 4.4, Solving Two-Step Inequalities. So far we have solved addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division inequalities. We have talked about when you multiply or divide to solve an inequality, and you're dividing or multiplying by a negative, that you switch the sign. So P would be greater than -4. Today we're going to talk about solving two-step inequalities. These work the same way as solving two-step equations. We just apply the negative rule if it comes up. So let's take a look at example 1. Here I have a over 4 plus 3 is less than or equal to 2. So the first step, I need to isolate a over 4, so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. So a over 4, that's an A. I'll use a capital A. A is less than or equal to -1. Multiply both sides by 4. It's a positive 4, so I do not change the sign. A is less than or equal to -4. And then the directions say to graph it, so you would then graph it, which you can all do independently. So again, isolate by moving the 3, and then multiply by 4 to finally isolate A by itself. Okay, example 2. -3.5x minus 6 is greater than -1.8. So here I'm going to add 6 to both sides first. So I'm left with -3.5x is greater than 4.2. And I solve this because -1.8 plus 6, signs are unlike, so I'm going to subtract 6 minus 1.8. This becomes a 5. 10 minus 8 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. I keep the sign of the greater absolute value, which is the 6, so it's a positive 4.2. Then I'm going to divide both sides by -3.5. Leaving me with x. I switch the sign, is less than 4.2 divided by -3.5 is -1.2. And again, you would graph that. Okay, example 3. Real life. A music club charges 75 cents per song to download, or per song downloaded, plus a membership fee of $5.70. Diego can spend at most $15. What is the greatest number of songs that Diego can download? So I have my price per song times the number of songs. I don't know what this is, but I know it's 75 cents per song plus the fee of $5.70 is at most, so can be no more than, so is less than $15. Less than or equal to. It can equal $15, but it cannot be over $15. So 75 cents S plus 570. So my first step is to subtract $5.70 from both sides. And I am left with 0.75S is less than or equal to $9.30, or 9.3. Divide both sides by 0.75. So S is less than or equal to 12.4. Well, I cannot download 4/10 of a song. So Diego can download at most 12 songs. If he downloads 13 songs, he will be over that $15. So this 4/10 of a song, you cannot download just 4/10 of a song. So that 4/10 we ignore. He can download no more than 12 songs. Okay? All right, that's it for examples. We'll go over this the next time I see you.